The brave little girl. Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a brave little girl, named Emily. She was known for her courage and fearlessness. Emily lived with her parents and younger brother, in a small hut. Her parents were farmers, and worked hard every day, to make ends meet. One day, while Emily was out collecting firewood, she overheard some villagers talking about a dangerous monster that was terrorizing the nearby town. The monster was destroying houses and attacking people. The villagers were too scared to do anything about it, and the town was in chaos. Emily knew she had to do something to help. She went back to her hut and told her parents about the monster. Her parents were worried about her safety, but Emily was determined to save the town. She packed a bag with some food and water, and set out on her journey. After walking for hours, Emily reached the town. She saw that the monster had already destroyed many houses, and the people were living in fear. Emily knew she had to act fast. She asked the townspeople for details about the monster's whereabouts, and set out to find it. As she walked through the forest, Emily heard a loud roar. She knew the monster was near. She took a deep breath and walked towards the sound. As she got closer, she saw the monster. It was huge, and had sharp teeth and claws. Emily knew she had to be brave. She approached the monster, and looked it in the eye. The monster growled, and lunged at her, but Emily was quick. She dodged the monster's attack, and ran towards a nearby tree. She climbed up the tree, and waited for the monster to come after her. The monster tried to climb the tree, but Emily was too fast. She jumped from branch to branch, avoiding the monster's reach. After a while, the monster got tired, and went back to its cave. Emily knew she had to come up with a plan to defeat the monster. She went back to the town, and gathered the villagers. She explained her plan to them. They would make a big fire, and lure the monster out of its cave. Then, they would use their farm tools to fight the monster. The villagers were scared, but they trusted Emily. They followed her plan, and it worked. They made a big fire, and lured the monster out of its cave. The villagers attacked the monster with their farm tools, and Emily used her slingshot to hit the monster's weak spot. After a long and hard battle, the monster was defeated. The villagers cheered and thanked Emily for her bravery. Emily went back to her hut, proud of herself for saving the town. From that day on, Emily was known as the hero of the town. She inspired many children to be brave and face their fears. Emily's bravery and determination showed everyone that even the smallest person can make a big difference.